Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. This is a tutorial showing you how I've gone about creating a circular text pattern with an illustrator and creating the yin yang symbols to represent both alpha and omega, yin and yang, good and evil, light and dark, however you want to put it, positive and negative, balance of life. So you press L on the keyboard and Shift Command to bring up the circle tool and make the constraints perfectly aligned. And once you've done this, you go to the text tool and choose put text on a path. Change the point size. Because this document is quite a large document, I've gone by 2000 points by 2000 points. Typed out the text to make sure it's all correct, which is maybe the is no end. And then doing this, I've adjusted it so it looks more reasonable. So I've changed it once again to 1,800 points. Duplicated this. Command A to select all the text. And then adjust the point size and brought it down a little bit. You can do this by clicking the up and down icons on the side of the text tool, or selecting the box and pressing the down or up arrow key. Once you've got this aligned, so all the text is showing and there's no plus icon to show you that there's text missing, and then in the end I've put a full stop, to show that there is an end as well as a beginning. Once you've done this, create a new circle while pressing L on the keyboard, Shift Command to bring the constraints again. If you've got grids and guides selected, it will show you the center of the page. You can work out where to put the image. And once you've got this, I've done a black circle. I've created another circle while pressing L once by selecting the circle and pressing Command C, Command F to place in front and adjusting the constraints. Place it into the lower quadrant, top quadrant, then adjusting it so it aligns with the center. Shift with the constraints to do this. Command C, Command F to duplicate this again. You can ideally use the shape builder tool to merge these shapes into one, but for me this wasn't working, so I've gone the old school way and used the pen tool. It's just me trying to find the shape builder tool or the minus front or divide tool to unite the objects. But for some reason it doesn't show my panels. When I search for it, it doesn't show. So what you do in this instance, use the shape builder tool. This hasn't worked. So if you're using older software, this might happen. But in newer softwares, this tends not to happen as much. So you see it doesn't work, and as I see there's a bit that's out of alignment, which I adjust later on. So you can use the help option to find what you're looking for in terms of the guidance of the software. And then from this, I press P on the keyboard to bring up the pen tool. And drawing a path around it. Adjust the anchor point, change it to white. Command plus to zoom in. And created 2 dots and centralized it so it looks good.